Number 4 in the review of the first 3 sections of Chapter 4 asks you to write, if possible, V as a linear combination of the given vectors u sub 1, u sub 2, and u sub 3. So this is what we are given, and you begin by multiplying u1 by its vector u2, u3, and setting that equal to vector v. From there, you need to distribute u1 times 1 plus u2 times negative 1 plus u3 times 0 and set that equal to 1. That gives you the first equation. The second equation, you're multiplying u1 by 2, u2 by negative 2, and u3 by 0, and setting it equal to 2. Likewise, you find the third and fourth equations doing the same thing. So now to solve. Well, the bottom line is we want to know the values for u1, u2, and u3. Simplifying the first equation, since u sub 3 times 0 is 0, we're left with u sub 1 minus u sub 2 is equal to 1. Well, from that, I can solve for u1 to say that u1 is 1 plus u2. I could then replace my u1s in each of the other 3 equations so that now I have written this system with 3 unknowns as only having 2 unknowns. I'm replacing the u1s with u2s so that I'll be left with 3 equations involving u2 and u3. So that would give me the following. See where I have replaced each u1 with 1 plus u2. So I have 2 times 1 plus u2, 3 times 1 plus u2, 4 times 1 plus u2. So now I want to simplify each of these equations by distributing, for example, the 2 over the 1 plus 2 u2 and combine it with the other terms to get a simplified version of each equation. So that first one is going to be 2 plus 2u2 minus 2u2 plus u3 is equal to 2. Well, when I combine like terms, I'm left with 2 plus u3 is equal to 2, which means that u3 must be 0. Similarly, simplify the other 2 equations to get the following. So I now have these 3 results to work with, along with the fact that u1 equals 1 plus u2. Well, if u1 equals 1 plus u2 and u2 is 1/8, u1 equals 1 plus 1/8 or 9/8. u2 is 1/8 and u3 from these two is 0. Therefore, I know the values of U1, U2, and U3, which I replace in my original setup. So I have U1 times 1, 2, 3, 4, plus U2, which is 1/8, times -1, -2, -3, 4, plus 0 times 0, 0, 1, 1 is equal to vector V, 1, 2, 3, 5.